Hello again, and welcome to another small tutorial. And this time I will show you how you can fix the contacts if they were broken. One of those. I mean, the flex cable in this one is actually broken, but it could be one of those or this one. It doesn't really matter. The way you can get into those contacts if they are broken and if there is no contact or pressure on those, well, you could actually get a broken lens and another broken lens. It doesn't matter what it is, and simply take off the back here, the back plate. As you can see, those are very similar, even if they are from different lenses. And how to do that? Okay, we need a small flathead screwdriver, and well, a little bigger one is also very handy. And then we simply dig under it here, and to actually catch the hole here, and then flip it up a little so it's a bit open. Then take the bigger screwdriver and then move it out. So if I take it out here, you can see how it looks. And this is the back of the flex. And it is all the same on the AFS lenses. So if one of those contacts are broken, and they can do some over time. See this part here where it's bent, it will over time be broken, or can be broken. So just get another spare lens. You can get a broken lens from a flea market, and then just take out the contact bridge or contact FPC flex cable, and then dig out the contact flex thingy here, and simply exchange one of those, or maybe more. It doesn't really matter. You can see this one has a different shape where it's connected to the camera body, but I can also show you how it's done. So dig under it, and hopefully see, I've bent the plastic a little. Difficult to see, I know. Bent the plastic a little, and then put in my screwdriver, a little bigger screwdriver, and hopefully dig out the metal back part here, and also do it on the other side. And well, it's a bit different, but still the same process is to disassemble it. And then I assume if this one was broken, well, I could just take one piece here and dig out, and then exchange this with this one or some of the other. It doesn't really matter. I can just take this in the middle if I can dig it out. Oh, something like that. Come on. So, come on. See? And exchange it with this one. Just to put it in. And put this back part on again. Just put it on and then slide it in. But still take care of the flex itself. It's a bit fragile. So one can need a tool here. So, and just press a little on the plastic. And then it's back on track. So it's quite easy. So that was actually that. Just a short tutorial how to do it. I mean, if the cable is actually broken up here, you have taken apart the lens and by accident cut the cable here, well, then you need another one. Or if you are good with a solder iron, you could just you could actually just take out this one and solder a thin, very thin cord directly on the pin in here, and then it goes directly to the point where it should be on the other end. But this is actually that. So hope you can use the info, and bye bye.